Hey y'all, it's Andrew with Hoffman Lawn and Fertilization. Today we're back out here doing another brush clearing section. We've got a little bit of honeysuckle and just saplings that are kind of invading, so we're going to get that cleared out. Here's a little time lapse of us getting the job done. That's pretty quick. It would have went a lot faster, but I've got a high traffic road right here and one in the background. And then I've got some beautiful windows on this house here that are old and probably pretty unique and hard to replace. So I had to be very careful about where I was pointing everything. But as you can see, it makes quick work of it. If you're in need of some brush clearing, some honeysuckle removal, give us a call. Hoffman's Lawn Care.